Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren and today we're doing a neon clown makeup for Halloween and we're gonna pop out these bad boys. I just got these are the Makeup a Murder little neon pigments, these little things, and I am so excited to use these. They are so vibrant, so beautiful, and I'm so excited to use them. So, I might kind of do one of my eyes off camera first and then do my other eye on camera just so that it'll be easier for me to kind of mirror it on camera, if that makes sense. So that I can be looking at the picture that I'm going off of while I'm doing the first part. I will put up a picture of my inspiration so that you know where I'm getting it from. But I will go ahead and do one side real quick and then I will be back and we will do the other side together. Okay, we have this side done and it's honestly not too bad. So first off, we're gonna be taking the green, and all you need to do is take the little top part, and then we have this flat brush here. And then I'm just going to tap the flat brush on the lid, because really a little bit of product goes a long way, and we keep on, you know, packing it on as much as we need. And then this, just using a flat brush like this is gonna help us get this round shape that we need. So I'm just kind of stamping that on so that we get that shape. And then I'm going to fill all of this in. And you can go over it as many times as you feel like you need. I have a little bit of fallout, but not too bad. And then going about almost halfway. And so now we're going to go in with the blue and do the same exact thing. I'm just taking the other side of this brush. And we're doing the same thing with the lid and just grabbing product on the other side of this brush. And just kind of stamping it on, and then you can kind of blend it with the green just a little bit with barely moving back and forth. And then we're not going to do as much blue as we did green, but still keeping that shape. Next we are doing the purple, and then I'm taking a smaller flat brush for the purple. You can just stamp that shape in. Okay, now I'm kind of wiping away some of that fallout. It's not a huge deal. We're gonna go over it with pink anyways. So taking this brush, we're gonna go in with the pink, and we're gonna go ahead and do all of the pink and all of the colors before we put down any of our eyeliner. So we're just taking that on a fluffy brush and then just kind of going in. Kind of coming to a little bit of a point down here and then working our way up. Now we're going to take another fluffy brush and go in with the orange and just matching it on this side. And again, going into the eyebrow just a little bit and bringing it down, but not all the way down, because right here we're going to be putting yellow. Now our last pigment, yellow, we're going to be putting that right in the inner corner and just blending it with the pink and the orange and the green. Okay, that is good. Now we're going to use our eyeliner. And this eyeliner is not the best, but it's cheap, so that's why we're using it. It is the LA Colors Graphics eyeliner. I got this from Dollar General. It's not horrible, it's a little bit patchy, but you know, it does the job. So we're just gonna be trying to match this eye with, you know. So first I'm going to be following the line right here. That's kind of why we stamped it. It makes it a whole lot easier to draw where we you know, follow the line on that. And we're going to go in just a little bit, but not too far. And then I do go over my eyebrow, and yeah, it's gonna be a mess to get off, but it's worth it, you know. We're going to bring this up around where we have this eyeshadow. Okay, I think those match up good enough. So now just having to match this, we have 5 little spikes. I feel like I'm doing so bad at explaining at what I'm doing, but like, I don't know. I feel like just watching, you get it, you know? So on this side, I started out at the front, at the inner corner. So I'm just gonna try to match that up. And then you can almost think of drawing this as kind of like drawing spider webs. I definitely got it a little bit off from this side and this side, but it's okay. We'll make it look good enough and while we're filling this in. Okay, now comparing these two sides, I definitely messed up on one of the sides, but it is what it is. It's okay. We'll live with it. So, now, oh my gosh. Now, we need to do our pigment on the nose. So, we're just going to use our pink pigment. I guess I could have done this when I was doing it on my eyes. That would have been easier, but it's okay. We're going to take the pink pigment and just do a circle on the nose. I think that's good. I don't want a super big circle, so we're just gonna leave it at that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some lipstick. I'm using the Tarte Ocean Drive lipstick. This is like a really bright, like Barbie pink. So we're just gonna use this regularly. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna be doing the lines for the clown mouth. So we're gonna take our eyeliner again. And first I'm going to draw a circle around my nose. Okay, that's probably the worst circle I've ever drawn in my life, but that's okay. Now we're going to work on the smile. So, I guess just kind of watch. I don't know how to explain it. We're gonna start at the corner of the mouth. And just do like that. I don't think I wanna do a huge mouth. So let's just start with that. And bring it in. Okay, so they have completely outlined their lips. At least one of the pictures I'm looking at. So I guess we will completely outline. Okay, so I just blended that the best I could. Now for the last thing is to add on lashes. I think I'm just going to do some magnetic lashes. I have some really big ones that I think I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna put those on and then we'll be right back and I think the look will be done. Okay guys, this is our final look. I took some white eyeliner and put it right on my waterline and then put my hair up in some little pigtails up here. Tip, if you want your hair to like stand up like this in these, just pop you a little bobby pin in there and that does the trick. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.